Hilda Baci, a Nigerian lady, breaks the record for the longest cooking time in the world by an individual after cooking for 4 days straight, 100 hours to be precise, while standing. How crazy is that? The initial plan was to cook for 96 hours, but on hitting the 96-hour mark, she decided to carry on for 100 hours because energy choke. Here's the moment she hit the 96-hour mark. Within the 100-hour period, she cooked over 100 different dishes, mostly Nigerian foods, from akara to soups to different types of rice to pasta to abacha. In fact, her menu was humongous. This should also be a record. The fact that she cooked so many different dishes within this time is crazy. The former holder of this record is Chef Lata Tandon, an Indian lady whose record time was 87 hours and 45 minutes in 2019. A little on Hilda Baci. Hilda Baci hails from Akwa Ibom State in Nigeria. She's a graduate of sociology from Madonna University, Nigeria. She also had some alumni members from Madonna University there to support her. Unfortunately, I was not in Lagos. So, as an alumni member of Madonna University, this is my own way of supporting her. She is a foodpreneur, an actress, and a TV presenter. She has been cooking for the longest time. She's a well-known chef in Nigeria. She runs a restaurant in Lagos and has several social media pages dedicated to cooking. Her social media handles have been growing at an exponential rate since the start of this challenge. Her personal page on Instagram has gained over 900,000 new followers and is also now verified. Her cooking account and her accounts on other social media platforms have also been growing exponentially. Hilda Baci isn't entirely new to cooking competitions. She participated in the Jollof Face-Off cooking competition in 2021 and she won. At this point, her middle name should be Winner. Speaking of this very cookathon, a lot of planning went into making this a reality for Hilda Baci. She had been engaged in a rigorous fitness journey for several months, if not years, with a fitness coach before embarking on this cookathon. She expressed that she needed to lose weight and be fit in order to make this challenge more achievable. The event held at Amore Gardens, a beautiful garden located in Lagos State, Nigeria. Everything was well organized by Hilda Baci and her team. A standby medical team was on ground, fitness coaches, her cooking assistants who were the absolute best, and everything else necessary. I'm sure you might be wondering, how was she able to achieve 96 hours of non-stop cooking? Well, there are guidelines from Guinness World Record, which affords you a 5 minutes break for every hour of cooking. Now, this time can be accumulated daily as you wish. So the longer time you spend cooking, the longer your breaks would be. 4 hours affords you a 30 minutes break. 22 hours of cooking affords you a 2 hours break. Within this time, you can do as you please. It would interest you to know that Hilda Baci got an incredibly amazing support from fellow Nigerians. The venue was full to its maximum capacity throughout the duration of the cookathon. From regular Nigerians to celebrities to government officials to dance groups to prayer warriors, all of this is what made the journey lighter. Let me show you what I mean.
We outside for Hilda. It's bet on Hilda, guys. We're betting on Hilda. She's doing this. And you know, woo! We outside. Period.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't
It's your call. I can make it though.
I'm
telling you, I find do okay. You know, easy. I feel like team what to acquire.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse.
People stood out there, even in the rain and during late hours, to cheer her on and pray for her. At the time of making this video, several brands have keyed into this dream, and Hilda Baci has gotten a lot of sponsorships from brands, and she's well on her way to becoming the face of several big brands. At the end of it all, she gave a vote of thanks to all the sponsors of the events, the supporters, the well-wishers, her assistants, and the security crew. It's incredible how she still had so much energy even after the COOKATHon.
I'm so grateful and I feel so blessed. I did not see how big this dream was. I have not seen my Instagram, I've just been hearing Jesus. My friends, oh my God, my friends shut down their lives for me. Toby brought inverter man, brought electrician, brought technician, brought sound man, just to make sure that everything was perfectly done. Could not have picked a better venue to have this event. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Take your flower, girl.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I want to say a big thank you to the sponsors. We didn't have a lot of them. I want to especially say a big shout out to GB Foods. That's the makers of Gino. I want to say a big thank you to Arla. Beige Wallet saw the vision, understood it, and keyed into it. We didn't have to have 20 meetings. We didn't have to be on the phone for hours on end. There's so many people to say thank you to. Heranki the printer gave us at least 200 items for free. Owambe companies did our event planning, and she's been here for 4 days, and she made sure that she put her team in order to make sure that we got the very best. I want to say a very big thank you to the medical team, Covidel Essential. Oh my God. I frustrated them all. They want to take vitals when I have 15 minutes rest. I would say people should leave me alone. Some way, somehow, they would make sure that I have water to take a shower, my sanitary wear is ready, all packed and ready for me to go. They are massaging my leg, they are checking my temperature, they are taking my blood sample, all in the space of time. Like, I've never seen a more efficient and dedicated team. And let me tell you why this means so much to me. It's because they volunteered. I didn't go to them to ask. They came to me and said, how can we help you? How can we be there for you? Big shout out to Domino's, big shout out to Bela. I'm so grateful to each and every sponsor. There are too many to even count to say thank you to. And to every one of you here. Oh my God, I can say thank you from now till next year. And it will not be enough. I appreciate you for your time. Because I don't think it's about free food. It's not about free food. You have food in your houses. You have food in your houses now. You have things to do with your lives. But you chose to be here. You chose to be here. I want to say thank you to the hosts. Laura, Elo, Annie. You know, where do I want to start from?
You're welcome, baby. You're welcome.
Thanks for watching, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.